So you may have heard about this buzzword, the Internet of Things. Well, what is it? Simply defined, it is the interconnection via the Internet of computing devices embedded in everyday objects, enabling them to send and receive data. Another way of putting it is that the Internet of Things is the extension of the Internet connectivity into physical devices and everyday objects. These devices can communicate and interact with others over the Internet, and they can also be remotely controlled and monitored. So why is all this important, and why should this matter to you? Chips and sensors that are embedded in the things that surround us can collect and transmit valuable data. This data helps us better understand how these things work, helps us to sense the environment around us, and also helps us to understand how things collectively work together. By combining these connected devices with automated systems, it is possible to gather information, analyze it, and create action to help someone with a particular task or learn from a process. Here are some practical examples of the Internet of Things. In terms of home automation, IoT devices can include lighting, heating and air conditioning, media, and security systems. Wearable technology, such as smartwatches, can enable us to monitor our personal health and even warn us of health conditions to be addressed. Self-driving car technology also employs sensors and cameras which analyze the surroundings. In the manufacturing field, IoT can help drive efficiencies by using data from devices equipped with sensing, identification, processing, communication, and actuation. Problems in an assembly line can be proactively identified and troubleshooted without human intervention. It all starts with the devices themselves. These devices contain sensors which take measurements and securely communicate the data with an Internet of Things platform. This platform can collect and aggregate the data from many different devices and can provide analytics and machine learning to help us understand the world around us. This can then feed into business applications that address industry-specific needs. It is estimated that there will be over 75 billion IoT devices by 2025, and the global market value of IoT is projected to reach 1.6 trillion by 2025. There has never been a better time to learn about IoT, as the job market for IoT developers, architects, and engineers is expected to skyrocket in the next few years. This can be a lucrative career opportunity.